Learn how to make text-to-speech videos just like this in CapCut. Open a new project in CapCut. Import your desired stock material footage and drag it into your timeline. You can adjust your video ratio here. In this case, I'm sizing my video for a YouTube short. Resize your stock footage to fill the entire size of your video. Click on the text icon to add a text box. Select default text and drag it into your timeline. Type your text here or double-click it in the video. Set your font and location of where you'd like your text to appear in your video. Click on the Text-to-Speech tab. Scroll through the options and find the voice you would like to use. In this video, I'm using Jesse's voice. Once you've found the voice you like, click on the blue Generate Speech button. You will see a new audio clip appear in your timeline. This is your text-to-speech audio. Adjust the length of your text to match the text-to-speech audio. Set your desired text animation. In my case, I use the free typewriter animation. Add additional text and any animations to your liking. Add stock music to your track using the Audio tab. Crop your audio by zooming out and dragging the audio clip to length. Adjust volume and fade as desired. Let's see how we did. What is that viral AI voice everyone is using?